Now before ebe share nkonwesi no as usual say na ya me no che bibi e de tutu ho efo no anopa nso me no be adwen ba ko say efutu sama me de ema say adwumaden ene pepeye hard work and honesty eya di nipa bi ehia wa brabom hard work adwumaden ene say ube pepepe ama sebi superior ube pepepe ama sebi obi bia one ne eye adwuma no eyade a emu odin na emu enso enumnyam hye wo mu pa anopa yi se wo hweme na ompa adwuma wo akwadwofo a da bia obedi udok no kwa unya meko ne china mmoso sanse da bia do nsa ahye odam ne fam ompa adwuma wo akwadwofo Bible can say ensa anya adwuma no enidi. So you should work hard. Stop depending on people always. We have so many people around this country, especially in Ghana here. Omo adiachi do nimu na se amentwe phone emfre asomasi. I know what na say busa ho se nipa na wo frɛ no no. O sika ne bi ana oni bi. Ana utrimu pɔ no wadwe nyina ne se nipa we di oyedefo ntoni hawo. Sa na bibre Ghana fo binum. Ebinum adwene no o asomasi de me frɛ no pɛ na daroma me nsa betimi aka sika ne bi. Unim ade bɛchi no ohawa wakom. Ana ne budget awaya ana. Stop depending on people and work hard. You should be also honest to your superior. And senebeya wajuma oye no ebetimi akoso jojo na aboa. Anopai we ni afutu sema ahwefo amohweme the dialogue show so anopai me no mienu nyina ye che ekoma me amete ha ekoma won so a wo hweme anopai say we should work hard. The sign say adwumasini ani kwadwuma ana wa wo mpadwuma no enya ade a obedidi. Until we lazy man, debiano a combedo. But if you work hard, ubedidi na odini ye. Anopai be true for say work hard. Stop being lazy. Stop sleeping. Stop sleeping always. Enkraha yenna. Enkraha yenna. Udan kraya ubedu dokonokwa. Efutu se me yakoma ubibia ohemenopai. By the can KTC Franco Trading Enterprise adaruma obebo ayema edi dobokra temunso nkomo. Abrao. Franco Trading Enterprise is calling all individual Ghanaians around the globe and those watching us around the globe that there are so many people who are always on Facebook claiming to be representatives of Franco Trading Enterprise. They use such opportunity to defraud innocent citizens, especially on Facebook, to tell them that you can transact business with them. Please, they are not. Franco Trading Enterprise is telling you this morning through our medium, through television, through the dialogue show this morning that if you want to transact business with the Franco Trading Enterprise, just go to their website, www.francotrading.com. You can also download their Google Play Store, their app on Google Play Store. That is Franco Trading app on Google Play Store. Now, with Minomo, Edin Kitahun. Ebana Samsung, Nokia, iPhones, any products be say tabletop fridge ni na bi no promotion echo edemano channel so papa Ope TV from 32 to 55 inches emudian na Ope Franco Trading Enterprise adaroma ombeboa wo ema onya sa product amabobo isu you see the Ghana ha de omajibe bia mo ma discount o ade bia obeto the mabobo so nyina na ti aboa ma won so komu aharo no aso be friend penin for on 0246 422 338 and 0546 133 Franco Trading Enterprise also still phones papa fi wada romantina no pay made the bokra tem nkomo no e ba behye ase the new weekend crusading guide and I'm the on the front page. That is page 10 and 3. The front page, this is what reporting this morning, post-COVID-19, economy recovering faster, better, due to good management, Akufo-Addo, and president embarks on official visit to France, Belgium, and South Africa. Of alleged assault of the City FM reporters, national security begins probe. In the right corner of the day, new weekend crusading guide, another donates Paul's oximeter gadgets to Nsawam Hospital. MPP Deputy Communication Director under fire. Who is that person? Okay. Mame Ya Abuaje is on the front page of the New Weekend Crusading Guide. Okay, Ibekum Niaka Semkra, oh, and only in summer Abba, Enra, na a Yankremofuni Ada. So, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Dankwe Kufuado, and the Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Ba, Memufuni Nadahono. Na Enra, Omo Eshafa Kasiano Mampeni Kwasibi, or Chese Namianimni, Isika Semino, a woman COVID, Abese or Manu, Sikasem, as a Yasi de Inanimum, or Kensi Sudia say, in Kakra economy no recover. Na eye ankasa na krata ko ebo mane so mampani bo pro akwantu bi da mampani enim. President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo is expected to leave Ghana on Sunday 16th May for a 9-day official working visit to France, Belgium and South Africa. These working visits are part of the efforts the president is making to re-engage with the rest of the world following the onset of the pandemic and highlight Ghana once again as a country with an impressive business-friendly atmosphere with bright economic prospects for the future. Mampani Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeko nida kwan 16th May kwasiada edin ya Mampani Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo furu wimushen akọ France Paris oko summit bi on financing African economies eno okwa kasa wase na okwa koshia France for Mampani mechire Emmanuel Macron eno so ho sem anopai the Bokrata the New Weekend Crusading Guide ediaba the Deputy Communication Director of the ruling New Patriotic Party, Mame Ya Abuaje, is being accused of using the names President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the Inspector General of Police to illegally chase innocent people from their legally acquired lands at Brekuso in the Eastern region. Yes, Mame Ya Abuaje, or Deputy Communications Director at the MPP, or the Mampani Akufo-Addo D, and a Ira IGP James Opombo D. Jim Kwafon sa sifru omunsem amania the Bokrata no eka eno Mame Ya Abuaje nimfoni ene da yeso oye Deputy Communication Director at the MPP asema eda hono no nti unya krata ni bia kan na nsem no nchechi mu e wo na poso na ya na poso ena meme boso nti Mame Ya Abuaje kro no yese oye sa no wa wasema so di Mampani Akufo-Addo din ena obejiji nkofo asase ya wa ojejireji nti the Bokrata the New Weekend Crusading Guide up publishing mfoni ena order hono se wodini Mampani Akufo-Addo din ene IGPD ena omodejije monkoso ode monkoso sa na de memanesia yera another prayer ensawma droji mrahye bidwani se wodi mfidi akoma ne mpeso aso ayasabia ensawm hospital ode akoma omona City FM nsem trofo bi bako de Caleb Kuda ena lady bako ena Caleb Kuda no akotwetwa mfoni bi National Security Zone baby wa odu baby as security zone nti ukotwa mfoni wo ho a emra na rwew but mania era Albert Kandapade about say abrante na kase ye ensa keka no ose baby kwa de sotrobi free na tiko na so wa Fruitchen ni na se ne koko everade yanko wosi apapa na so mama no bia ye birim na nkasa ye piepia na nkasa Iraq and apase omehwem nemo omosa ka to aso se abrante na edu reception o ibusa ne se o ne odu appointment o I say I mean wa no ne obi any appointment eno aso bodu a start twetwamfoni etia Ghana mra emiti ensonsem emra meka metwi DP na bonim police for chime na no me saranda me say ai modi se mo chime na mum me onkrata ni ka afi na modi free port oba enti obi anu a osonsin Ghana mra nobody is above the law obi asonsin mra enti mum yenhwe ne yenhye ne nso anopay the New Weekend Crusading Guide no the Chronicle the Bokrata fight against Galamsey. I will probe my own chiefs. Otumfuo, businesswoman allegedly swindles colleague of 999.6k Ghana cedis. And don't use sermons to incite Muslim youth. Sharabutu tells imams. The National Chief Imam Osman Nuhu Sharabutu. And wakache imams funina said, omo preacher mujina podium and also mujina asorenim Islam kunu nina enim no omo fan she mrante no kutupa e mo fan kodi etutu asembia eno en sema de ba na otumfo kasa last week na no ya na okasa fa galamse hu otumfo ni abre papa in fact was say ehemfo I want nsase so ono abesha ase problem wo ye ohene na audience asem obi a na ahwe obehwan otu akonwa tani braba galamse ko na ntoma mu a wabo ene dawo no wa boni kenti pra anya asem ketwa na enibra aba no enye enibra edafom kratafe toso mienu na miensa dialoguing on the small scale cancer mining no eno mo de bi kwahye so yura Samuel Abudina po ade bi ekwahye so ewo eye Kumase na no otumfo safre otumfo a na na akokasa wase in fact free na say by the video be circulate social media na na nsem o kan no ama Ghana fo ni age ho papa Ghana fo ni age ho channel pay the chronicle breso sem de obokrata no ese business woman bi so ebu no nyonko ba afa so eyasem eno so the obokrata the chronicle the daily statement na me de etwaso NPP calls for cool health in Wesley Girls impasse. That's page 3 of the daily statement. No religious battles in our schools. President admonishes stakeholders. And government alone can't fight Galamsey, says Otumfo. And Akufo-Addo to embark on 3-nation post-COVID recovery visit. And also some Abba. Yeah, can was some. Enwa Eid no aseno. And Mampeni Kokasa was say, Sir, Wesley Girls School no, and 7 and 7 to Jana fast na kwanchi na he no. Mampeni se santo kwana. Ekoso ewo ye school sumu no. Osre papa say ajobre religious battle. Osum ye no ntokwa yemfanto baby. Eno ho nsem anopa Mampeni Akufo-Addo. Eno ansem odi tudwa. Ohemfoni a one eye National Chief Imam and watch and just a Mampeni any Chief Imam any Cremosom any Christopher Yanko Fedra in term F Ed and Cassia according to Cremofo worry Christopher being so worry Cremofom Branching na you be the two say Yamu Money intimate intimate my first school 7 sano and man MPP am you so you are John Bodum for Nina down Kratafetos means or the daily statement we book out and so I can was so most of the man to say ajobreo Mampeni Ekono abayin intimate Kongalamse kono on going to me Otumfo asema or canon Mampeni akontu dan anim so anopa the daily statement e de ehonsem e de aba yebo ho amanenti the daily statement the bokrata no ensema wode aba eno no amefa most authoritative newspaper Ghanaian Times and Twaso and now Wesley Girls fasting saga don't turn schools into battlegrounds. President advises public and the Muslims observe Eid al-Fitr amid COVID-19. No centralized prayers, carnivals, outdoor merrymaking in compliance with safety protocols. That is page 10 of the Ghanaian Times. Probe underway into Ghanaian students' death in Cuba. Foreign Affairs Ministry. That is page 4. And so they are at the back page of the Ghanaian Times. Kotoko peep dwarfs to maintain sports and only $666 million out of targeted $1.5 billion US dollars oil revenue released 2020. Realized 2020. Okay, I know the what they aba I don't know. Enti uhwe de bokata na chi a ho na me de ehyasie o se aban no farm go yetu na eye sika benya afri mu no mu opepe ahensia aduosia ensia pe ena mfimpinu ne aduonu no wotimi ehunu yi eno nsem anopai the Bokrata Ghanaian Times aba eno anso Asante Kotoko eche drafts eshomu omo fi match day 24 the Pocopan Warriors Krobia Asante Kotoko etimi eche abusuya abonto drafts omukoto twene kase twede kase pa drafts for na share omuwie na Kotoko etwa form de me no kase Kotoko eda so ahuru di kan o ma no aduanan enan omuma kadi wasenya House of Folk 40 points Olympics 40 ene omuma kaka nyina 40 nti Kotoko ye koye ni mankasa ai ene jesem na yenko Ghanaian Times anim ho Wesley Guest as a medical car the front page of the Ghanaian Times Ampeni Kufuado mfoni ena chief imam mfoni ena edawo fefefe Ampeni HSA my five schools ahodo no enye sebe okon ebiaye otufo afi yesi Muslims lanu a yenuanum nkremofo COVID-19 mu omu anye ne kakra carnivals enije ebodwa asane nyina no omu anye ne saa ne nyina COVID-19 protocols yebo maba so papa bon this time around I should anti se moto and what we the moto yi keche obi awu ni ade in fact this time around me should anti at kranka the Bokrata and so dey ba anopai Ghanaian Times in some about na say abrante ba ko afri mu Cuba over the last weekend no na last week no na abrante bi kra was happen me menim ni power dey no mama so Cuba information send me na say emu ehu ankasa o tron seman kasa HSA Unyaba or say embassy Cuba embassy abana musifo embassy mumfi omu na say abrante ba akwa na foreign ministry so mohwehwem ene mohwehwem pa na o Ghana ni e pa mo chow sramu owu di emfani a gro empeni se hwini nya na nya ato nyonko betimi ato nti mum yehwehwem na yenhwe de ekofa sa owu no bai utwa abrante statement o tro de ba ha mintimi kan nyina ha o si Cuba embassy anase mpenifo si aban na mo Cuba no omukọ omumfi omu akreda ha amanka omumfi omu nti se mo ho mo mpenifo amona musi aban nan mo anya madwuma yi na mo amunua Ghana fo ho beto masawram sa de mamu dididi Opuni bagged Agongo to defraud Cocoa Board, says judge. Daily Guide, Ghana's favorite newspaper. And local LPG marketing companies appeal to government. Otumfo backs president to stop Galamsey. Nana calls for trans in Wegehe impasse. And also Yensama Anopai Abba. A Supreme Court judge, Justice Clemens J. Honeyuga, sitting as an additional High Court judge, has been explaining his decision to other former Cocoa Board chief executives, Dr. Stephen Kwabena Opuni, businessman Seydou Agongo, and his Agricult Ghana Limited to open their defense respectively. Asema judge anase the worker atayaka yekemi say sir Dr. Opuni ofo Agongo soso mumbu Cocoa Board kum mbunu kum say chen nti anopai the worker atansema da bautumfo asemaka we ensema aba I don't know memfa Daily Graphic and we member sa asem so kakra. Keep tolerance in schools. President appeals to stakeholders. And ensema anopai Daily Graphic, Ghana's biggest newspaper, about graphic Zoom Lion clean up BC tomorrow, and president on three-nation working visit. And Kia enhances COVID-19 protocols following Daily Graphic's report in Kotoka International Airport. I say now number last week that the infoni ebi ebai na Kotoka we mchange na bia hono protocols na omu eniso. Nano ena no pay the Bokrata Daily Graphic asade abase isi ade ohemfoni da hono kra eche say protocols no omu diso ankasa a enya asem ketoa nti wabo amane say reporter Daily Graphic ede buy no eno na sisi a impact positively ama sisi amena okasa yi omo observe protocols na anopay the obokrata daily graphic ede mfoni ababeto ampa ohwa omo observe protocols no nso ampa papa ehun sema anopay the obokrata no ede apa mampani akwantu no so nsem eda ho now here the back page of daily graphic Amante Starch Factory to start operation July. Yebebo Ira Kofi Amoako hena baso. Ono na we minister fofra Bono East Oshase and Ira Akwasi Edujan. And so I take over na Starch Factory any di hunko mo bebre ofia nyame adoma say July. Omo be start aye djuma. And afi some Accra Central traders to be relocated. Eno aye nsema aba say Accra Dwadifobi baby omo no eba be you mo de fro and also nsema Minister for Greater Accra Henry Cote eco inspections some market areas and all this are nsem no edeba ntiano pay the bokrata nsem na poso the omode aband back to the studios na yenhwe say besi nkunya Yura Christian Donko guest anope ya yene no eba bedi enkomo anope hwe the bokrata daily guide and a woman say Yura Dr. Stephen Opuni Cabinet Puni Canin Chief Executive Officer Edema Cocoa Board or see Opuni bagged Agongo to default Cocoa Board so na daily guide eka and say omufa akwati kwan so pa Dr. Opuni F4 Agongo so omo Cocoa Board krono brofo no atro krono defraud fraud why corruption in a chrono and ye front ntoma ye kakra kasa na se say obi akowia body obi akowia banche kronfo akotwituo abotuo atwituo ekomni padi de sika obi atwe obi sika obi ebu obi afaso ni na ye chrono ti sa case na che anti mo hwe na mo speed up e ma ye pamocho na anopay the worker daily guide kan wasem say mutimi bu ye Ghana Cocoa Board ibu mu faso jey enya sem keto sika pa ewum no yeti hey obi pe 100,000 Ghana cedis aye djuma wonya mrante bebre obi pe 50,000 Ghana cedis aye djuma se Ghana oye bebunu oye youth se memete na unya 40 years na wo early 30s mu obeyi awubua ensi nanso yenye nipa bi wo kuremu Ghana ha wo aban enwuma mu aye dwuma buo man na faso abo man no nyansa kro no enyasem kitwa nyansa kro no pa nyansa kro no obi akowia bode ya man 7 years some penifo bank say gugu wo krom ha emu penifo nyina da so na mo omone na mo no pe kwa me hu story bi say yes enkofobia file for no case eda hasi me hu story bi no pe me Ghana ha wo ye Ghana ye won ti omo file for no case sa na asem no eni nyina so bia wadi usika free omai no ebe ni ye na ye Ghana ebe ni urade nyankopon Ghana be me se Ghana enye yi na mekoso aka se omai no enye yi emu nipa obo obra yi osum nyame yi a individually osum nyame yi nyame be hu mobo ubenya bibia di ubenya oisabi atakwa me dan bi asi atrem odo ma be ko school papa na so abram ba se omai mu ni in general enye yi mampani akufo ado na ekon galamse ya ye to abetia na be sira Ghana yi mampani akufo ado okun galamse nti ato abetia no areas bebre western north bia east bia west bodi dwaboso area omuto abetia mampani akufo ado because omomoni aduane abomu empanimfo na monso mo hyehyɛ tire ye from gidi no ono abo na no betena so enche bi odi sampan ministers ana ba mu panimfo mo ye galamse ne bi odi mu di beba edine mrantem ono abo fabra ne nipa bi fa kwati kwan so nya omo ho okure mu ene komo die mu bi mrante wo krom ha bre nipa timi aye ha ma bank agu manager CEO adwuma ne dia adamo Omutri cars papa oko Accra money holiday no mutu omu cars akese na Ghana for bre. Why? How? Mo sorry must fix the country. Mo fix it musica no. Motua. Sam penny for motua. Muntua. Me say Ghana enyi. Me koso aka Ghana enye yo tom. Say yansesa yesu ene eban oman no enye. Owura Christian don kwaba anopa ye nkomo wo ba bedi pa. Na ye behwe uhwe na no honorable Ken Japan kasafa Jata Cement ho. Ghana ni dia. Ghana ni ena aye. Na mampanin so ene trade and industry anamonto motu bedi ho nkomo. Fix the country ni ehun komo ne hon sem te say enipa bebre de ho agime say you should fix your attitude first in choboti amanfo te okruma eno na bai wa bi video na social media o yensem troni wo tachiman menu aba no pemetiaw oso ko tachiman enkate tachiman tachiman bra o mto enkate more na enkate yam na de enkwan no omutimi yam enchewe be ankorama nkate no no de nkate na afra nti ko na ton nkate ayama o ye nkwan bi ade betina nkate kwan etimi di si obe na nsa na wotwe ni adi ba na nkate nkwan wanya nkate pa nto a ade nche so mpo ade betina nkate ni nyina ni asai obeka sa oyere ni nkwan ye onim nkwan ye mo oyere so mbo yesi tachiman mo fix musuban tachiman fo amoye sa nkate more no mo de aburu ayachi ese aburu ayachi mo da fra ebi kura so timi di esam Ghana fix your attitude any area Christian don kobidi nkomo na ma for kojo pon nkomo che aban so obesi agenda 1111 aye hospitals or say about 85% aban sa etime validate asase a omesi woso a good news na Dr. Stephen Mantia na say me na em akra say mo bi anto Angel product Dr. Kwaku team product because Yasake Captain Smart asem we emu erem na emu hu kakra ensem we ni sikasem nkomo bebre ena no pay ye na sikasem hu nimidifo auditor kese a osanso ye eku FM Institute of Chartered Accountant Ghana odimu akotene we chartered accountant Yura Christian Donko kaneno na usi akan pa obobo pay until no friend ziga formerly IPS to call na bo ziga obi ehunu say na obi obobo Mr. Donko anfa nko bobo yanko Black Star area ene wada ye auditor kesi unta no pay ono ne ye guest star yene no eba besi nkonya na ene na di nkomo opani marche
why me no pay
me jo super
be fine
ya me shraw obia so esene ne nchia ma mindi kan fa nchia kase ma wahwefo anopay na odanfo